Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video tutorial, I talked about printing large set of data. Today, we are moving into how to link worksheet using 3D formula. Alright? Large Excel document don't just contain data on a single worksheet, but perhaps can contain data across multiple worksheets. Open in front of me here, I have got the example file that comes with basic salary. All right, so I am currently looking at the summary worksheet of a simple basic pay got from payroll analysis. All right, you can see down below here the summary analysis. This summary worksheet has got a simple little table with just two columns, that is a month and a basic pay. All right, basic pay currently being empty. The data that I want to fill into this basic pay will come from these three worksheets, which is 2017, 2018 and 2019 respectively. All right, basic pay amount for each is shown in 2017 with also shown in what in 2018, also into what in 2019. So now what I want to do here is, with all this data, is to summarize it all into what one spot, which is what the summary on the summary page here. Now we are going to actually see this done with two methods, right? The first one, we are going to utilize a technique here called 3D formula. Essentially, we are going to create a formula that goes to other worksheets, right? While the second method will be done in my next video tutorial, where I will be consolidating data from multiple worksheets. Just stay tuned. All right, typically when you think of summing up a group of numbers, you think of creating a formula on one worksheet and referencing cell on that same worksheet. Well, here we are going to perform a mathematical operation just to do some addition, but we are going to reference the cells and different worksheets. Which is called a 3D references or 3D formula. So take a look. So I am currently on the basic pay summary worksheet here, right below here. I'm going to click on cell B5. You can see now this is where I want to create the calculation. I want to sum up the basic pay amount for the month of January. So I'm going to create a formula. What do you normally start a formula with? Basically, a formula normally we start with what? An equal to. So I'm going to hit on what? Equal to here. All right, good. So I can now see equal to here on my what? On this formula bar right up here. Then I'm going to click on 2017. Note, if you look up at the top here and my formula bar, I can now see equal to 2017, right? And this is super nice. All right, I got an exclamation mark as well. Now I'm now referencing within my formula, that is the sheet 2017. All right, so what I want to do here is I want to get the basic pay for 2017. So I will click on what? Cell B4. You can see there is it. So I have referencing the worksheet 2017. So however, I want to do some additional calculation too. So I'm going to hit the plus sign here on my tab. I'm going to hit the plus sign here on my tab. So now To add the other data to the summary worksheet, I need to go to the next sheet, which is what next sheet of data. So I need to go to 2018 worksheet. Also to look, and then looking at my formula bar up here, you can see, looking at my formula bar up here. So by now, referencing sheet 2018, I will also click on what the cell B4 here now, which is basic what pay, basic pay for the month of January in 2018. Also, I need to do this one more time and add my plus sign. All right, now I'm going to go to 2019 and pick the basic pay for the month of what January. Good. Now I got my what complete formula now, which is 2017, 2018 and 2019 respectively. So I can now hit my enter key. Wow, you can now see that I am back on the summary sheet, and I have got my grand what total for 3 years for the month of January. It's a simple calculation, just branching across multiple worksheets. Just try it out. Create a formula for the summary sheet by going to cell before typing the equal sign, and then it's just a click on 2017, grab the proper cell there and hit your plus sign, because you are doing some addition. Go to 2018 as well, grab the proper cell, all right, proper cell, and continue the process. Try getting it for each of the months as well. Practice this out and just get yourself comfortable building formula that span across the multiple worksheets. All right, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll keep giving you more of the Excel updated functions. However, in my next video, I'm going to be detailing on how to consolidate data from multiple worksheets. Just stay tuned while I keep giving you more Excel function. Bye.